Congress party has decided to contest both the 2024 Assembly as well as the parliamentary election in the Himalayan state. The decision was taken last evening in Delhi during a meeting with members of the AICC Screening Committee constituted for the upcoming elections. President of Sikkim Congress, Gopal Chetri, and Treasurer Karma Tashi Bhutia met with Screening Committee Chairperson Rana KP Singh, members Jayavardhan Singh, Ivan D'Souza, and AICC Secretary in charge Sikkim, Ranajit Mukherjee. Intending candidates for respective assemblies as well as candidates for Lok Sabha were discussed in the meeting.